Hey Real Riders, Louis Vitiello Jr. here for a quick clip, and we're at the Cary Rides and Coffee hosted by Detail Garage, here with Marty, the proud owner of this amazing, beautiful truck. Marty, why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about the make, model, and what got you started down this path?
It's a 1990 Toyota pickup. My uncle gave me this motor. He had it sitting around. He died. My aunt gave it to me. I went and picked it up one day, and my buddy gave me this truck, and we decided to see if the motor would fit down in there. We stuck it down in there, pushed it off to the side, and we worked on it a little bit here and there. We got it running, and then I drove it for like 5 years, 6 years, static drop with the motor in it. And then we decided to do some modifications on it and bag it. And this is when I took it to Matt's house, dropped it off, and he kept it about 2 years.
So it took 2 years to make this build then, right?
Yeah, and then another 6 months painting it.
Another 6 months painting it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. I'd love to do like a walk around and get to learn a little bit more about it. Matt, do you want to come over and tell us a little bit about all the things you've done? So this is Matt. Matt's the builder of the car. He spent 2 years building this, and I'm going to pass you the mic so you can have the freedom to walk around and talk a little bit about what you've done.
Okay. So we started off with this Toyota. He had the V8 swap in it. We wanted to bag it, and we started off with what was going to be a simple bag job, and one thing led to another, and we decided we got to Z the frame to get it to lay, so we might as well go on and build a frame and do some more work. So we started off Zing the frame 1.25 inches, built the rest of the channel. It's got a whole new frame underneath the cab. It's stock floored body dropped on 20s all the way around. We did a little extra work and made sure we could keep the factory bench seats still in it and reupholstered. The rear suspension setup, some people call it 3-link. I call it a wishbone setup. Your standard dash is reworked by the painter, and he was able to get it all glass smooth, and it's pearls in it, and the black has got the little bit of candy red in the tint on the clear. Did a full polished stainless steel exhaust system on this thing, TIG welded and all put together. Everything runs through the chassis to get it clear. Still running the Toyota rear setup, and then we got back here and we wanted to come up with something with the bed, so we decided to do a tilt bed setup. So the bed's on tilt with which runs off of the keychain remote, so it can be run away from the truck or by remote control. Then here in the bed, we ended up doing a full sheet metal bed setup and did a little storage area in the bottom since I had a little extra space, and we threw together this acrylic window so that you'd still be able to see down on the suspension and everything underneath the bed should we not decide to lift it, depending on the wind and everything when we show it. But it's also backlit with LEDs, so this thing it's got a little Bluetooth controller. You can run all the lights underneath the truck and the bed together or separately. A little bit of everything done to this thing. Full flush mount, old school checkmate tonneau cover, which is, they're harder to come by these days. They're getting harder and harder to come by. They've been gone for probably 2 decades now. Rest of it's just a standard affair, which is, shaved door handles, a couple little trick things here and there. We did, I reworked the entire opening of the windshield on this truck to get it to have flush mount glass, which get rid of the old factory rubber seal that went around that leaks and looks fairly horrible. So we got rid of that. We modified mirrors from a 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee Sport to put on here because I don't know if you've ever seen the factory mirrors on this Toyota's old pickups, but they're hideous. So it was a good choice there. The rest of it, like I said, it's just, a little bit, one thing on top of another. It just kept coming and coming. We'd get to one point and be like, you know what, I think we should do this. And it's like, why not? So it's already on the frame table, let's get it done. And then our man Vic over here did a crazy paint job on this thing. He laid down a whole lot of pearls and flake and everything in this thing. So unfortunately the sun's not out good enough to see it all, but you can tell it's there.
This paint job is also amazing. I don't know if you've seen this in the photo, but there's these little silhouettes of skulls here. And we actually have the painter here. Vic, do you mind coming here and just telling us a little bit about the paint that you laid down on this beautiful ride?
It's a custom white pearl mix with silver and a brandywine pearl or candy over it. Then it's airbrush skulls. The scallops have an orange and a silver, black, and red pearl in them. A lot of custom body work, shaved door handles, molded mirrors, a whole lot of work.
What I love about it is that everything here is painted on, even if you get the side where the black is. That's not a decal, it's not vinyl wrap, it's actual paint, which makes the reflection, match the rest of the body of the car. You don't have that shiny paint detail that turns to a matte finish because of a vinyl, right? Everything's flaked throughout. It'll really pop and shine in the sun. It's a fantastic job. Well done, Vic.
Thank you.
So thank you for spending time with us today. I do have a final question as we roll out. What's next?
There's a lot.
Tell me a little bit about it. Give us a sneak peek.
Stuff up here at the front to cover up the wheels. We're going to add some more stuff so that the tonneau cover lifts up when the bed lifts up. We're going to do some more stereo work. The headliner's not done. It'll never be finished.
Hey Real Rides, welcome to another quick clip. We're here at Detail Garage Rides and Coffee with Dylan and his beautiful RS3. And Dylan, this car stands out in the crowd, not just because of the color, but it's kind of like an OEM plus. Why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about it?
So far what we've done here, I have full bolt-ons. It's a Unitronic Stage 1 Plus tune. We got their new carbon fiber intake. It's 4 inches, 4-inch turbo inlet. Also have an intercooler. I can't release who it is right now. It's coming out soon. I went with AWE mid pipes on here. It's probably making like 520 crank. Also, currently I put on the BBS CH wheels, 19x8. I had the calipers powder coated bronze chrome, gyro disc, front rotors. I got a clear bra on the car, 2018 Catalonia red. There's not many of these around. Got the Alcantara steering wheel here. Yeah, so we have the carbon inlay package. This is the Dynamic Plus package too, tech package. I also have the Leo Motorsports paddle shift extenders. I went with the black to kind of give it more of an OEM look.
So thank you so much for showing us a little bit around your car. Any future plans?
Yeah, so we're gonna end up going stage 2 in the spring. Gonna switch to E85 at that point. I'll run that for about a year and then we'll switch up a hybrid turbo is the plan.
Do you know what that would bring you up to, going to stage 2?
Hopefully like 670, maybe 700 wheel.
That would be nice, that'd be nice. Hey, thank you so much for being on the program. Any final shout outs?
Yeah, I'd just like to give a shout out to Greg at Wrap Chat for helping me out with my wrap, and Apex Tuning for all the work they do on the car.
Appreciate you, thank you. Hey Real Rides, another quick clip here at the Detail Garage Rides and Coffee. We're with Drew, who owns a 2017 Toyota Corolla. Welcome, Drew.
Thank you very much.
Why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about the car, walk us around, show us some of the modifications.
All right, so I got the car 2017 in November. Literally, first day I got it, I was like, I gotta do something. I can't drive around looking like everyone else. So first thing I did was pretty much put coilovers on it, you know? That's the first thing to do. Second thing I did was I gotta get wheels. So I went with the ESRs, went ahead and got the white wheels because got to make it look classy, you know. Third thing I did was went ahead and made it VIP on the inside. So if you want to come around here, we got the VIP mats in there. It's a little dirty, but it is what it is. We got the carbon fiber wrap on the hood, and then we got the low roller banner going on, as well as some little stickers going on for some horsepower, you know? Got to add it in. But yeah, then we got the air ride put on, so I had to get rid of the coilovers to get it to lay frame because I was tired of scraping, and just raise it up and down, and that's the better way of going about it. So save the car, make it look right, and shine bright too.
So Drew, it's amazingly beautiful. I love the way that it sits. I love the carbon fiber wrap too. That really sets it off. It makes it look a lot more different than most Corollas on the market today. Tell us a little bit, man, future plans, new things on the horizon. What do you got going on?
So future plans right now, I'm going to have After 7 Garage do my body kit that I got coming in the future for the next year. After that, I'm also going to have After 7 Garage do a engine swap. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do, but I'm trying to look for something I can turbo or supercharge so I can make it actually get power. Tired of having 96 horsepower, but is what it is.
Hey, Drew, thank you so much, man. I love the ride. Do you have any shout outs or anything before we wrap up?
So I want to shout out Detail Garage Raleigh for putting on the Rides and Coffee. It's a great event from 9 to 12 every last Sunday. Also want to thank y'all for having me in y'all's video. That's pretty sweet. Also, After 7 Garage, looking forward to y'all doing the body kit and the turbo work and the engine swap. So it's going to be a lot of fun.
I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.